Hello students, today we discuss about the Rixia. So first question is how do you give the systematic position or classification of the Rixia. So this Rixia is belong to the division Bryophyta and it is characterized by the dominant gametophyte, recessive sporophyte, and the plant body of the bryophytes are plant body is the gametophytic, prostate, thyroid, small rhizoid present on the lower side. So as you know, these in Bryophyta, the gametophytic phase is the dominant. Gametophytic phase, that means the in that stage the gametes will be developed, and this stage is a dominant stage, and sporophytic stage is the short and recessive stage. Plant body it is gametophytic plant body रहती है और the growth of the plant is the prostate and thyroid like structure, and on the lower surface there is the rhizoids are present. Then these Rixia is belong to the class Hepaticae. These means the plant body is liver like and small. That's why also these Rixia is also called as the liverworts. Then the plant body is dichotomously branched prostate and dorsiventral. जो भी if you seen these figures of the Rixia, so these leaves of or thallus of the Rixia is the dichotomously, मतलब टू पार्ट्स हमें दिखाई देंगे ब्रांच के, दैट इज द डाइकोटोमसली ब्रांच्ड. देन द ऑर्डर ऑफ दिस रिक्सिया इज द मार्केंशियल्स. That is the gametophytic plant body has upper dorsal side and lower is the ventral side. So on the dorsal side there is the photosynthetic region is present, and at the lower side there is the storage region is present. जो साइड ऊपर के बाजू में और अपर साइड है उसको डॉर्सल साइड बोलते हैं, और जो लोअर साइड से मतलब उसके बैक साइड जो है उसे वेंट्रल साइड बोलते हैं. जो वेंट्रल साइड को स्टोरेज रीजन रहता है, और जो अपर साइड है डॉर्सल साइड है वहाँ पे फोटोसिंथेटिक रीजन प्रेजेंट रहता है. देन it belongs to the family Rixiaceae. That means it is characterized by the presence of sex organs. So the sex organs are present on the upper, that means the dorsal sides of the gametophytic plant body, and sporophytic plant body only bears the capsule. So these are also two main characters of the Rixia. Upper जो भी sex organs है, that means female sex organs and male sex organs, they are present on the upper sides or dorsal sides. और जो स्पोरोफाइटिक प्लांट बॉडी है, स्पोरोफाइटिक प्लांट बॉडी में क्या रहता है, फूड सीटा कैप्सूल, बट इन केस ऑफ द रिक्सिया ओनली कैप्सूल्स आर present. Then next is about the genus Rixia. So Rixia, it is identified by the gametophytic, जो gametophytic plant body, this is the dichotomously branched and many gametes form the rosette like structure. So rosette like structure जो आप if you seen the picture of this Rixia, so रोज की तरह जो ऑल द जो डाइकोटोमसली ब्रांचेस है, दे आर ब्रांचेस आर यूनाइटेड एट द वन पोजीशन. एक पोजीशन पे वो हमें यूनाइट हुई दिखाई देती है. सो दे आर डाइकोटोमसली branched and they form the rosette structure. So these are the characters on the classification of the Rixia. In exam, many questions are asking regarding these classifications or also the characters of this classification. That means if asking like the plant Rixia belongs to the डैश डैश ऑर्डर्स, वहाँ पे आपको अलग अलग ऑर्डर्स के नाम दिए जाएंगे, तो उसका राइट आंसर है मार्किनशील। सो ऐसे भी पूछ सकते हैं या तो कैरेक्टर्स के ऊपर भी पूछ सकते हैं। दैट मीन्स इन रिक्सिया प्लांट्स द 6 ऑर्गन्स आर प्रेजेंट ऑन, वहाँ पे आपको अलग अलग डॉर्सल ऑप्शन दिए जाएंगे, डॉर्सल, वेंट्रल, देन ऑन द टर्मिनल और ऑल ऑफ दिस। तो वहाँ पे आपको जो 6 ऑर्गन कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट रहते हैं, तो अपर और द डॉर्सल सरफेस पे 6 ऑर्गन प्रेजेंट होते हैं, वो आपको वहाँ पे बताना होगा। देन द हैबिट, so this plant is a amphibians plant and it grows on the damp, wet, moist and shady places. Exceptionally, the Rixia flutans is the aquatic and it is grow in the water. So most of these bryophytes are amphibians plants. Why amphibians plants? Because for completing the life cycles, this plant requires the more water. For example, in case of the reproduction, in sexual reproduction mostly, these plants require the water. That's why, and these without water they cannot complete their life cycle. So these bryophytes are the Agrixia plants are the amphibious plants, and mostly they are grow in the moist and shady places. Exceptionally, जो species Agrixia prudens ये aquatic plant species है. Aquatic मतलब these plants grow in the water conditions. So also the MCQs will be asking regarding these points, because you have to in exam, that means ऐसे आपको पूछ सकते हैं कि डैश डैश इज़ द एक्वाटिक स्पीसीज ऑफ रिक्सिया, वहाँ पे आपको अलग अलग स्पेसीज के नाम दिए जाएंगे, तो वहाँ पे आपको राइट आंसर देना होगा रिक्सिया फ्लूटेंस. देन व्हाई द ब्रायोफाइट्स आर कॉल्ड एम्फीबियंस प्लांट्स, तो वहाँ पे भी आपको ऑप्शन दिए जाएंगे. सो राइट आंसर इज द दे cannot complete their life cycle without water, or at the stage of sexual reproduction they requires the water. That's why these bryophytes are known as the amphibians plants. Then regarding the occurrence, so in Rixia is widely distributed. It occurs in all parts of the world. So all over the country or the world, in the moist and shady places these Rixia plants are grows. So this is all regarding the classifications or systematic position of the Rixia. Next time we discuss about the external structure of or the morphology of the Rixia gametophytes or the Rixia plant body.